heading down towards the coast. We should be heading into Cagnes Sur-Mer very shortly. We are still in Gorge County. lots of rock, which is absolutely beautiful, and we've just said to each other it's now showing us, what is it, 23 degrees outside? 23 degrees outside, and beautiful glorious sunshine, and just a different colour light when you're in the south of France. We don't know why, it just looks different. Beautiful.
We're almost at the sea.
We are
16 kilometres from the campsite, so that's not far.
No, not far at all. So we should be coming up to the campsite shortly. It's been a little bit of an adventure getting here, I must say. These little tiny roads. Backy. Oh no, they're backing up. Thank you. The little back roads are
500 metres.
tiny, to say the least. So
This has got a 6-ton limit.
yeah, this road's much easier than the one it tried to bring us down originally. So that's better. Here we are, look.
Here's the pool.
Yay!
You have reached your destination.
There we are. Oh, I say.
Is that it?
I think so, yeah. Yeah. Camping. La Rivière, that's it. That's it. Right, let's go in and say hello. And this is the campsite that we've been staying at outside of Cagnes Sur-Mer in the Côte D'AZUR. It's camping La Rivière. The campsite is about 5 kilometres away from the main front at Cagnes Sur-Mer. So if you're a walker, and that's fine for you, that's no problem, but we've done it with the bikes, no problem, and it's made it reachable for us with the bikes. And from this campsite we've also been able to reach both Nice and Antibes, which was really nice. So here we are, La Rivière. At this time of year there is a set price, and it's €18 for 2 people, a place and a vehicle. Extra for electricity if you want 4 or 6 amps. Different prices in the height of summer. This is base season at the moment. And it's a fabulous little campsite. So you come on through. Reception is just here on the right hand side. Reception just there, no problem at all booking in, spoke English, absolutely fantastic, really welcoming. The campsite has its own restaurant and bar area. Hello! And it is in place at this time of year. They do serve all day. And as you can see, the campsite is lovely and leafy, lots and lots of trees, lots and lots of cover, which is needed in this area of France to keep you out of the sunshine. The pitches are all a really good size, and the pitches are also grass laid pitches, which is a little bit unusual for this part of France. Usually they're sandy based, but they're nice and grassy in this campsite. Gorgeous. And this is one of the toilet blocks. Shared loos, male and female. No loose seats, no toilet paper, but I will say that these toilet blocks are constantly cleaned throughout the day and are meticulously clean. They are spotless. Delightful. Washing up sinks. Cold water, but then you have a little tap over there that you fill with your hot. And there is also sinks for washing your clothes. Shower facilities are separate, so you do have the male section, which is just there, and then the female section, which is here, so they are separated. Again, absolutely meticulously clean. Beautiful shower block, really big shower stalls, push button showers, but they are temperature adjustable, nice and hot. Wash basins and sinks, gorgeous. The campsite also has a really good sized swimming pool. Lovely. With lots of sunbeds and a nice sunny terrace. And here we are on our pitch. Big, huge pitch. And this pitch at this time of year with electricity, 6 amps, within cycling distance of both Nice and Antibes, and the front at Cagnes Sur-Mer, is costing us €23.40 per night. That's including local taxes. Bit of a bargain really. Fantastic little site, small, French family owned, very friendly. You do probably need some kind of transport to get into town and to see the area, but our electric bikes have done it no problem. Great little find.